Welcome back to Ade Explain Nutrition. This is the only place I talk about food, nutrition, and the truth you are not usually told. In today's video, I want to expose a lot on calories. Today, you will learn what calories actually are, why calories are not the enemy, why calories counting does not work for everyone, why your energy signals matter more than number on an app, and how to understand energy balance without obsession. This video is just for one tired person, someone who has tried dieting, someone who feel guilty after eating, someone who just want peace with food. Just stay with me calmly on my channel. No fear, no pressure, just clarity. Let's start from section 1. What calories actually are. Calories is simple unit of energy. Nothing more, nothing scary. Just like fuel in a car. Calories are fuel for your bodies. Your body use calories to breathe, to think, to walk, to digest food, to pump blood, and even sleep. If you are alive, that means you are burning calories every day. Calorie is not a weight gain tool. They are a survival tools. In Nigerian, for an example, think of calorie like kerosene or fuel. Fuel itself is not bad. Too little fuel in the generator goes off. Too much fuel stored wrongly can also cause problem. Same thing with food. Calories do not jump inside your body and turn into fat by force. No. Your body decides what to do with energy. Some calories are used immediately. Some are stored. Some are lost as heat. Calories are neutral. They only become problem when we remove the real contents. Let's go to section 2 of this video. Why calories are not the enemy. The reason why I'm breaking this in section is because so that you can understand, because all the points I've listed above, I want to make sure that I touch it one by one. That is why I'm putting it in section, and to give you the important part of this video. That is why I am breaking it down in section, so don't miss any section. And if you are yet to turn on your subscribe button, kindly do that. If you are yet to on your notification button, kindly do that, because doing this is going to send a signal to YouTube that this video is going to help a lot of people, as it is helping you now, and it's going to support my own growth as well. And you as a person will not miss any of my video weekly. This section 2, why calories are not the enemy. Many people fear calories because of diet culture. You hear things like low calories, 0 calorie, burn calories fast, cut calories, but no one actually explains what happens when calories are too low. When you eat too little, your body adapts, metabolism slows down, energy drops, hunger increase. That is why many people lost weight fast, then gain it back. Your body is not actually stubborn. It is protective. In Nigeria, again as an example, when NEPA take light, you reduce usage. You turn off appliances. You manage power. Your body does the same when food is low. Calories are not your enemy. Extremely restriction is. The problem is not eating calories. The problem is disconnecting from your body while eating. Are you not getting the real point? Before we move to the third section, from the beginning to this particular section 2, kindly comment downstairs if you believe with this little thing that I've said, that calories is not your enemy. Comment it that calories is not my enemy, because it's not going to work against you. That is why I'm trying to make this video to make it clear to you. The third section, why calories counting is not for everyone. Counting calories can help some people, but it harms others. If counting makes you anxious, obsessed, guilty, disconnected from hunger, then it is not serving you. Many Nigerian food are not easily tracked. For an instance, eba, amala, egusi, ofada rice, beans and dodo. But the best thing to do is portion size, because our portion size varies. Cooking style also varies. Oil quantity varies. So trying to calculate everything can even make you to hate eating. Also, calories label do not tell the full story. 200 calories of soft drink, 200 calories of beans. There is still a lot of stories behind the little calories written on the label. Same energy, but different effects. One is going to keep you full and one is going to leave you hungry. Calories do not actually measure fiber. It does not measure protein, fullness, blood sugar response. So if calories counting feels stressful, you are not failing. The method is not just for you. Let me tell you something important. Your body does not know numbers. It only knows the signal and the kind of pattern that you create for it. Signals in form of hunger, in form of fullness, energy, strength, focus. If you can eat the right calories and still feel tired. Do you know that you can eat the right calories and still feel tired? You can eat more than expected and still feel rather. That is why some people eat little and gain weight and others eat more and stay stable. Your body is not a calculator. It is just a communicator. Make sure you learn how to communicate with your body. Section 4. This is where the secret lies. Why hunger matters more than numbers. Hunger is information. When you ignore hunger, you break trust with your body. There are 4 different types of hungers: the physical hunger, the mental hunger, the emotional hunger. They are all valid, but they need different response. If you eat based on number only, you stop listening. In Nigeria, for an instance now, think of hunger like fuel warning lights. Ignoring it does not make the car better. It just stops suddenly. Honoring hunger does not mean overeating. It means eating intentionally, slowly, and with awareness, without fear. This builds long-term balance. I hope you are getting it. Let's go to section 5. Understanding energy balance without obsession. Energy balance simply means what goes in and what goes out. But this change daily. Stress can affect it. Sleep can affect it. Even your hormones can affect it. Movement affects it. You cannot control all variables, and that is okay. Instead of obsessing over calories, just put your focus on regular meals, balanced plates, adequate protein, fiber from local food, enough rest. That is just all what you need. Let me give you another example again. That example, like a balanced plate could look like eba with vegetable soup and fish, rice with beans and stew, yam with egg sauce and vegetable. They are all balanced diets. No food is even. No food need fear. Consistency beats perfection over and over again. Section 6. Always practice calm habits. Eat meals, not snacks all days. Add protein to every main meals. Do not skip breakfast if you are hungry. Drink water, but do not replace meals with water. Move your body gently. This habit supports energy balance naturally. Let me tell you that you do not need to fight your body. You just need to understand your bodies. Calories are not the enemy. Fear is. Your body wants safety, not punishment. So always give your body the safety that it deserves from you. If you learn how to read your body, study your plate, you have less fear. In fact, you will follow less online trend, and your body is going to feel safe with you. So if this video have helped you so far to feel calmer about food, kindly subscribe to my channel Ade Explain Nutrition. And if you want more video like this that remove fear from eating, make sure you give me a thumbs up and share it to one tired person who need peace with food.